One thing I noticed is if I push on it at the right, I'm at about 25 millimeters of slack, I can just make it touch that piece of the chain guard right there. But then also one thing I noticed, it doesn't say anything in the instructions about it, but there's this little, let's see if I can get you in here where you can see decent. This little locking nut here needs to be locked so that this adjuster in the back can't turn. Because I was wondering about that. I was like, what's going to keep that from turning? So then lock that down, and so now that can't move. So there we go. So we're all got it all installed. Looks 10 times better. And then got our adjuster done. So there we go. All right, folks. Hopefully that'll help you. And I'll catch you on the next video.